my wife has painted this bottle and I really like this. She was complaining about the battery issue as it became too dim. Then I thought, why not replace the button batteries with a rechargeable one? So let's take a look at the process. First, I will take out the button batteries and that will get replaced by a 18650 lithium battery, and we'll place a charging module too. Just to be satisfied, I checked the small batteries and voltages were too low. Let me quickly check the voltage of my lithium battery too, which is coming around 3.9 volt, which is good. And this is the fresh battery, I have not recharged any time. Now it's time to open the plastic cover and check the wiring. The top one is positive and the down one is negative or ground. Now it's time to make our circuit. This one is a USB 1 ampere charging module with current protection. I am using the Type-C version. Micro USB is also available. The B plus and B minus goes to batteries plus and minus respectively, and we can directly connect batteries, but I will use one BMS or battery management system for more protection to the battery. It is also having the B plus and B minus sign along with P plus and P minus for power input from the charging unit. Now I am fixing the wire on battery connector. Be careful, the plastic might melt due to heat. Before I connect everything, let me test the voltage output too. I have connected the Type-C cable and the voltage output is around 4.2, which is just right for 18650 battery. Now you need to solder or connect the devices as per the diagram on your screen. The connections are almost done. From the BMS minus side, the negative terminal of battery is connected, and from B plus, the positive end. Now our circuit is connected to the battery, and let's check the final output voltage. That's 3.9 volt and it's as expected. Here we can connect the LED strip to the output wires directly and it will work. I have fixed the circuit using a glue gun. I will connect the output wires with a DC male connector and will put the female connector on LED connector or LED side. I have soldered the connectors. The connection seems to be fine as we see the light. And just for protection, I have placed a shrink tube on the connecting wires. Let's put some heat to shrink it. Now it's time to put everything together. Let's also check the charging. And as soon as we connect the C-type cable, the light or the charging light turns on, which is good. And we can also turn on the load or the LED strip along with the charging. That means we can turn off the light while it is charging. And here is our final product. The LED is glowing much brighter than the button batteries. And I know the circuit itself doesn't look good and my wife will take care of that. That's all for this video. I'll see you in some next videos. Thanks for watching.